Hey guys, this is Sad Man, and today I'm going to be showing you the Sony Mavica MVC-FD200. It came out on January 8th, 2002, and I got from Goodwill's online auction store. And it's one of the last Sony digital Mavica models that takes floppy disks, and quite possibly one of the last digital cameras ever made to take floppy disks. It takes these right here, 3.5-inch floppy disks, and it also takes memory sticks, as right here, dual media and a memory stick. It doesn't take, I don't think it takes Memory Stick Pro. I'm pretty sure it doesn't. It only takes the original memory stick. I'm going to take the lens cap off, and then I'm going to turn it on. That's on. Anyway, here are some test pictures, some test videos that I taken with this camera. Anyway, here are the little buttons. There's a little D-pad, and you press the D-pad down to select stuff. You press the up button for the menu. There's a switch for either memory stick or floppy disk. There's the power on and off switch. There's the eject switch. And there's the flash, the focus, program, and display, which is for turning the HUD on and off. And up there is turning the backlight off and on. And right here is for switching through still, play, and movie. And up here is the share button. Right here is where the floppy disk goes. Right here is where the memory stick goes. And right here is a W and a T. That's for zooming in, zooming out, and demonstrate for you right now. As you can see, the lens doesn't move. I almost forgot to show you, well, no, I didn't forget to show you anything. Wait, I forgot to show you, there's the flap out cover for the DCN, which takes a proprietary cable, and the video out for the AV cable. And right there is where the mini USB cable goes. Let me go to the menu. You can set the self timer and the effect. You could set the date and time and the effect and the P effect, and the file is recording mode and image size 1600, 3:2 aspect ratio, 1024 and 640. There's clip motion. There's file number, and you can format the memory stick with a floppy disk. There's camera, you can set the exposure, flash level, white balance, sharpness, digital zoom, and ISO. And setup, you can set the LCD brightness, and beep, and the clock set, and the language, and the video out. Now I'm going to switch to the video mode. There's just P effect for that one. The file is record time set 15 seconds, 10 seconds for 5 seconds. Image size 320 by 240 or 160 by 112. And file number, and you can format the memory stick. And camera, there's exposure and white balance. And setup is basically the same. Anyway, so I'll say for now. Hope you enjoyed it.